Look what it came today. I'm so excited. Look at that big box. So yeah, today I'm going to unbox this. And as you all know, I love opening boxes, and if you want to see what's inside, please stay tuned and see what's inside the box. Alright guys, so we're gonna open it now. Open it, what's in here? Bear with me. Tignan natin kung ano yung nasa loob. I actually ordered this last week, and it came 5 days after I order it. Kaya ano ba, hindi siya mabuksan. I'm so excited to see. Actually, I already know what's inside, so kayo, excited na ba kayo kung ano yung nasa loob ng box na ito? Napakalaking box na ito. Ayan na. Ah! Look at that! It says Fashionphile. So, I did order it again from Fashionphiles because this item, I have been stalking this for, like months, and they went down to the price that I wanted to pay for. And yeah, so as soon as the price went down, hindi na ako naghintay ng kung ano-ano pa. Nilagay ko na siya sa cart and bought it right away. Look at that. So Fashionphile has never been disappointed me. Always the packaging, it's always nice and neat and exciting. It makes your heart beats fast once you open their box. So yan yung itsura ng box when you open it. Ayan. So ngayon, ang Fashionphile, they're member of Neiman Marcus. So yan, it's one of the luxurious company. It's a mall. So yan, saying thank you for purchasing, and then it's a little note from them. It's actually probably resibo siya kung ano yung okay. I'm not gonna show yet what I got. So we all know what's in the box. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Alam mo yon, every time mag-open ka ng box, you're always excited. Yeah, bubbles. Ayan, Fashionphile. So let's see what's inside. Okay, wala na siya nasa loob. Wala na. It's more bubbles. Just checking maybe they put something, anything. I have to stop it kasi hindi ko siya mabuksan. But I haven't looked at it. Binuksan ko lang yung dust bag para sabay-sabay tayong makita kung ano yung binili ko sa Fashionphile. So, yes! It's a Prada bag. I got a Prada bag from Fashionphile. Oh my god, I did not expect this, that it's gonna be a big, oh my god, I thought it was just a medium size, pero, wait siya. Ayan, oh my, ang laki niya guys, ang laki niya. I did not expected this, that it's going to be a big bag. I thought it was the medium size. It's really in a good condition. It says the Prada Saffiano Cuir Twin Tote Caramel. So that's what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, let's see what's inside. Tignan natin. Actually, yung tinitignan ko siya sa picture, it has some sa corner daw, yeah. You can see that, ayan, meron nga siya, may flush siya. But then it's okay because I got it in a really good price. So, yan ang style niya. Pag binuksan mo siya sa loob, it's actually good to use it at work. Like, you can put a lot. So, grabe, ang laki niya. Let's take it out the bubbles. Ayan ang loob niya. Maganda pa siya. So, it has big space there. Tapos, may pocket siya right there. It's really nice, which is you can put your phone. It fits a lot of things in there. Tapos, sa kabila naman, malaki talaga yung space niya. Tapos, there's another pocket in here. Sorry. It says Prada. Makikita, it has a bigger zipper here. Ang ganda niya, guys. So, may zipper siya dyan. Tapos, meron pa siyang isang pocket right here. And this is the authenticity card. There you go. So, that's the authenticity card. It has this card, how you taking care of the bag. So, yan yun. Ang maganda sa kanya, guys, that I got too excited is because kung isasara mo siya, so, sasara mo siya ng paganyan. So, it's counterclock, I guess. Yeah, counterclock o doon sa kabila. Pwede mo siyang ilak na paganyan. So, ayan. So, ganyan mo siya isasara. But, of course, you don't always do that, right? Kasi, ano naman, napaka-hassle naman kung lagi mong isasara ng ganyan. So, I think the way I will use it is, I'm just gonna close this one and open it and leave it like this. So, yan yung itsura niya. I loved it! Ang ganda niya. So, yan yung sa harap. Tapos sa likod. Yan yung sa likod niya. Tapos meron siyang clip na dito. I think that's where you put your keys if you wanted to put it there or, you know. So, and then pwede mo rin siyang i-open up dito to make it more wider if you're putting a lot of stuff. So, yan. Tapos, pwede. Okay. Yan. So, hirap niyang i-clip Tapos, i-clip mo rin siya dito sa kabila. Medyo mahirap siyang i-clip but it's okay. So, yan na po yung bag na binili ko sa Fashionphile, which is I am so happy and you can put a lot. It's actually, this is really good to use it at work or if you have kids that you have to put a lot of stuff in there. Sobrang dami niyang pwedeng ilagay. So hello guys, that's our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed our video, and if you haven't been subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you want to leave a comment, please write your comment down below and put a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!